Open your eyes. Happy birthday!
Whoa! Is that for me?
What do you think?
I love it!
Go to your room.
Greetings, my friend.
Leonidas, how can I help you?
You cannot. But I want you to know, your little girl will be safe.
What do you mean?
It is him.
Dad?
What are you doing?
We were supposed to take him in. He was resisting.
Got you!
You promised not to harm the girl.
Sorry, but we can't have any witnesses.
Put her down.
What you do that for?
Don't hurt my friend. Don't